Dilai PS angkang dilai along aron repen hor kewana truck kenep don long. Buka along skuti aphan auto kapatong tekang ajok ahiring tang rapen areng ahu keso. Rong ni hang ward number 3 along water pumping connection asai kechun. Kardom, Dili Karbi Prime Time along pen Durmi BP. Nonar Jikta Birtangton pen. Dilai Police Station Angkang, Dilai along Arunachal Pradesh pen Aron Rea Hor Kevan Pini Mati Jong ni Pai Tom Cap Arni. Ada por Paisia por Malab Excise Department atum Kenabduna Birta. Card News Channel Perangke Ananterang pen Nang Pale. Nagaland alongri Dimapur rong supi along an ke ponchia hor excise asai kamatum keton kalang pangching ponsi honte meme ihumatrak RJ07 GB 2751 along kelang chari dunjia phan pura truck kapasang dunjia phan khang dunlo bonta atraka bang pasang sedetsi balibathar pen api excise atum api hungdun bonsi dilai police lapen excise atum chelang pet pen labangso kang hua hor mate aron repen kewana hor nebdun lo Cartoon Faruk Rohinia Hor Chepari Deng Pondet Api Dilai Police Station along FIR Piponlo Labangso Horador Hitia Longki Sikalak Tomkep Ador Doji Pusi Excise Atum Pachini Excise Asai Kampen Noreng Ti Ketapon along Sumo Maibongsa Robindra Timung Bhim Ingleng Joy Singh Taron Ajit Ingti Promen Ingti Lapen Longbi Hansi Atum Cherap Chetodun Hor Kevan Atrok a driver Lapen Handyman Atum Ke Katri Pusi Birta Longdun
Actually, কাগজৰ মতে হলে বান্দাৰ দেৱাৰ পৰা বৰডুমসা যাব লাগে কিন্তু এই গাড়ীখনৰ কিবা এটা সূত্ৰ পোৱাৰ কাৰণে আমি সূৰ্যজানত গৈ ৰখিছিলো তাত গাড়ীটো নৰখি পলাৰ কাৰণে আমি গাড়ী পিছা কৰি আহি দিলা গেটত ধৰিলো দিলা গেটত ধৰি ৰাতি ভিতৰত গাড়ীখন খুলি অলপ চালো তাৰপা কম পালো যে ইয়াত অৰুণাচলৰ মাল আছে
Rongni Hang Ward number 3 along Executive Engineer Bikram Teran pen Mati Jongni Pai Tom Cap Arni water pumping connection claim asai apora tank pen patangsi Radaphan Langke Pipangcheng Ponlo Water pumping connection asai engineer Bikram Teran pen Jongjung ke claim kachelang dun kri ajok pipe connection an satame ke claim mesen pensi pachun ponlo lapen pini arni an ke lang satame kipi asai padopon tanglo lasi Karbi organization akongchun bang sim Teran lapen arisang ho tumpen alang lison ke claim ke mesen aputak kachoro alamte pajir ponlo pusi Card News Channel along Birtanang Pale Northeast Forest Range Sulonijan Kaparlo Diopani Bid Angkang NH 39 Kachelenga Tawar Pialong Piniadap Por Paikresia Por Malompen Ingnam Aingnar Tawar Pialong Kapasik Sakpusi Birtanangle
Northeast Forest Range Sulonijan Kaparlo Diopani AC Bid Officer NH 39 Kachelenga Tawar Pialong Ingnam Aingnar Minute Di Kebrapo Anbak Doji Kapasik Sak Kachelenga Tawar Piangbong Ingnam Aingnar Karjap Thebajok Gari Motor Antak Kacheleng United Lopusi Birta Long Northeast Range ke parlo forest staff atum aphan ranger amithang abang NRC akam dupik seta Diopani AC beta sai pulapen forest staff atum aphan toydun si NH 39 towar pi ingnam aingnar pen pajok dunlo la sojok ongno gari motor towar pachileng thulonglo
Non malam so porphan dihina pharma Birta Mointon Ponik Senang Have one bite of sweetness in your little and great celebration and occasion. Taste it today at Ashoka Sweets, the Soy Building, MG Road, Difu Market.
Kardom, kan suri na kren at kepan ikan na letang lo. Lasi labang so ningkan il tung karbi ang bang raks tame am se kasing turun siya pan. Tapen, ningkan sam itu pen il tung bong. Kan so se pakan teji pan nilihin penanam ya jume hati lo. Tapen katu ko ya pan stame, katu ko ya rat pan stame. Ningkan suri ni rakren at kepan ikan ke. Mesenji wa ning ceti bensin dan tung katu cepat judul lo, kardo.
Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center. Facilities available. List of haircut, hair treatment, hair oiling, henna, straightening, hair perming. Full body spa, coloring, waxing, manicure and pedicure, party makeup. List of facial, signature galvanic facial, signature Aurelatus facial, gold, pearl, diamond facial, fruits facial, cleanup, normal facial, and bleach. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center, KST Road, near Atur Kimi Outlet, Difu, Karbi Anglong. Banalata Chaudhary Dekal 9435539500.
Well, I, Sri Bida Singh Rongpi, General Secretary, Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee, would like to extend my heartiest greetings to each and every citizen of Karbi Anglong District, as well as the state of Assam and the entire nation on the occasion of the New Year 2018, as well as Bhugal Bihu of the Assamese Society and Rongker of the Karbi Society. And on this occasion, I would like to appeal to each and every citizen to imbibe the idea and concept of university in diversity in each one of them.
Holy Child Academy, Lurulangso, Difu, Karbi Anglong. New admission starts from 15th of December 2017 for the class of playgroup to class 5. The new classes will start from 8th of January 2018. The academy provides many facilities such as computer education, secure environment, music and dance class, art and painting class, playroom, audio-visual room, school tuition, daycare, school tiffin, smart class, child development center, etc. Parents or guardians are requested to collect the admission form from the principal office at office hours. For more details, please contact at 9854-143-772, or you can also contact at 03-671-27900. Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along long pon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu long pon ikji. Dihinama opi puthot bertalong wang thulo. Bukajan Police Station angkang tolbali janalong mati jongni phai thomkep arni kang sampor phai plira chitima por malom scooty aphan auto patong tekang phet amat kadri pusi pherang kepen bertanang pale. Tolbali janalong ihum TVS scooty akelok AS05G 2060 aphan ihum pang tek auto patong kang phet amat kadri pusi thekdon long wek atum pen pachini auto ka patong pen ahiring tang rak an areng ahu keso abang phu aphan pang tek thelang adungarai ke thekdon long atum pen si tong sekot pen bukajan CHC along keso paklang damlo kaching koy adim along bukajan police atum adim palidun si saidenglo. Hanjang langso don surya klamalong ingkora chok angdeng kawang jisuri nana trainer cap aningkan arkoi ni phai trainer cap pen ingkora isi arnian ni pria pharman ningkan asek amai pi karbila medamai kapado ponchia phan chisik chadang ponbomlo. Karbi hemtun ahem ke kim kerang pon laki hanjang langso rong asara jumpen cepatir PC kimrang pon bomlo lamet lamchong ingcholim keduk kenang sot akhai tin alongta lasi methanga lamet lamchong lapu anso se kapang chodun thekjia puthaksi hanjang langso rong asara tumta hanjang langso don surya klamalong ingkora chok angdeng Karbi lamet amai mesen pen kapachun thekjia phan do desang se pen charap chotodun rinti Card News apher angke ananterang pen nangkilo berta. Pini Karbi Primetime News abang kalapon sa kangchan pon iglo lang imkom ta Card News channel domay thagme korang 2.